Good morning, guys. It's another day. It's another frigging day of moving, and I am super tired. Um, yeah, I wanted to do the whole prepping announcement. I'm moving, packing, cute stuff, empty apartment tour, moving in, cleaning the apartment. But, bitch, I am tired. I am tired. This whole moving process, it has been so, I'm not gonna say stressful, but just too much. She's giving me too much. I got it. Oh my God. So I'm back home, clearly, because I'm in this messy ass apartment, but I'm so obsessed with those French windows that open up so much light, one for me, and so much light for me and my plant babies. Okay, it's just good energy. It was stressful, but it's good energy. So tonight I will be moving some of my stuff as well. Yes, your girl is moving at night. Great. But I think I'm gonna stop with the packing today because I don't have any boxes, and yeah, I need boxes. So, if it is that you are into apartment decorating, makeovers, room decor, apartment shopping, oh, home goods, all that stuff, we coming through. If it is that you're into that stuff, please go ahead and hit subscribe. Oh my God, my room. Wow. Wow, she is echoey. Bye, apartment. It was fun. Oh my God, it's empty. So empty. So empty. Empty, empty. Peace. Good morning. Good morning, guys, from the new apartment. Okay, so can we talk about the lighting, honey? The lighting. Ooh. But besides that, I'm looking crazy. Okay, I'm gonna be looking crazy this entire moving situation because honestly, moving is so stressful. Even when you think you have a little bit of stuff and you're like, oh, it's gonna be a breeze. For some people, maybe like the 0.1%, it is a breeze. But for the rest of us, we think we have a little bit of stuff. And oh my God, I literally decluttered like so much stuff months before I knew I was moving. And I still have a lot of stuff. But anyways, so I'm here in the new apartment and I'm just gonna show you what's going on right now because it is a mess. So this is the aftermath, and I still have a few, maybe like a couple things left, like the bathroom stuff and whatever else, but this is what's going on currently in this apartment. Crazy. I'm just like cleaning the air conditioning unit because girl, bye. No, I'm gonna clean like the vents, replace the filters, all of that stuff because dirty air. But yeah, so this is what's going on. I'll probably try and straighten up. The only place that is not cluttered is the bedroom, which is looking rather plain right now. But that's okay because I cannot sleep in clutter. That is why everything is in the living room. But this is what my bedroom is looking like. Thor's little bed has been set up. Not fully because his blanket is not in there, but yeah, for now he sleeps up here basically because he's not quite used to the surroundings. So he's like literally on my neck. Anyways, so this is like the bedroom setup. I have like two paintings over there. Nothing has been set up, so I don't know why I'm calling it a setup because it's literally just like I just put a mattress on, made the bed, and but yeah, this is what's going on in the bedroom. Very, very plain right now. But as soon as I have like, like organized everything, then I can do a whole makeover and all of that. So stay tuned, subscribe, period. It's about to be lit. So I vacuumed a little bit. Wow, look at the difference. Look at the difference. Oh my goodness. Nothing is in the living room, finally. And then I still have stuff like this to deal with. Some of them are returns, and some I need to like go through and really like sort out. Some things I just bought. So this is like a little corner that I need to deal with. But at least in here, it's clear for the most part. This is my old rug from my bedroom, and all my plant babies are just hanging out by the window because I'm not quite sure what to do with them just yet. I literally have to go to the bank, and my phone is also dying. I need to charge it a little bit. Good thing the bank is literally like a couple blocks away because I'm so tired, I'm so hungry, I'm so thirsty. I need to like either order or have water delivered because I am not going to the grocery store right now. It's just not gonna happen. So I'm gonna have some stuff delivered. I don't know if that's gonna be today. I probably am gonna go back to the old apartment and finish up what I'm doing. Anyways, I will see you in the next moving vlog series. Bye guys.